This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The cabin air filter is behind the glove box in the blower motor housing. Open the glove box, push in the sides to disengage the stops, then lower the glove box completely. Detach the front sides of the filter tray, then slide out the filter tray from the blower motor housing. Separate the filter element from the tray. Place the filter element into the tray, making sure the arrow on the filter is pointing down. Slide the filter tray into the housing, making sure the side tabs engage. Push in the side stops and close the glove box.